Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and are taking care of yourselves. My name is Kanika Tandon and I am here with the video of class 7th English grammar. As your winter vacations are over, we are back with your online classes and your YouTube videos. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, the conjunction. Starting our today's video with the next chapter, that is conjunction, chapter number 16, conjunction. So conjunction is the easiest form of the parts of speech. In conjunction is basically a word that is used to add two sentences all together. And the most important thing that we should know about it is that it joins the sentences that are connected to each other. I mean, these are the sentences that are actually said on a same subject. The subject of both the sentences are just the same. For example, God made the country and man made the town. So here, these are two different sentences, like God made the country, man made the town. And we are joining these two sentences with a single word, that is and. So this word is called the conjunction. Our hoard is little, our hearts are great. Alright. Here these are two sentences on the same subject. Our hoard is little and our heart is great. But we are joining these two sentences with a conjunction called but. So our hoard is little but our hearts are great. Right? She must study or she will fail. She must study, she will fail. She must study or she will fail. 3 and 3 make 6. So in the sentences 1 to 3, the conjunction and but or joins together two sentences. In 4, the conjunction add joins two words only. Alright. So here conjunction join together sentences and often make them more compact, such as Alok and Amar are good bowlers is a very short way of saying that Alok is a good bowler and Amar is a good bowler, right? If I'm saying that, for example, I went to the market, right, and my mother asks me that what have I got from the market. So I will not say like this, na, ki mother, I have got one pen, I have got one pencil, I have got one eraser, I have got one scale, I have got one chocolate, I have got one this, I have got one that. Right? I'm not going to say all of things like this. I'm going to say, mother, I bought pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, one chocolate, 10 toffees, and one writing pad. For example, supposedly. Okay. So with this word and, with the single word and, we have connected 10 different sentences altogether. So this is the work of conjunction. It makes the sentence more easier to understand, first of all. It makes less complicated, and it also decreases our manpower types, right? If I'm telling you to write, if I'm telling you what to write on a notebook, what have you got, you are going to take so much of time if you write like this: I have got a pencil, I have got a pen, I have got a scale, I have got an eraser. But this is easy for you to write like, I have got a pencil, eraser, sharpener, and scale. All right. So this is the main motive of conjunction, that it makes English a easier topic. It decreases our time. It makes the sentence more efficient, right? Now some conjunctions are used in the pair, like not only but also. Like, it is not only expensive but also not good. Neither or nor. She likes neither Ravi nor Raj. Like, neither I like cricket nor football, right? Either or. Either I want to be a teacher or I want to be a doctor, like this. Though I had money, yet I could not buy it. कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू से इट इन हिंदी, कि मेरे पास पैसा तो था लेकिन मैं नहीं खरीद पाया. ऑलराइट. both and end, I want both coffee and biscuits. This is very easy. Up if you go to your relative's home and say, auntie, I want rice, I want dal, I want some vegetable also, I want some salad, I want rice, I want water. You're not going to say it like this, है ना? So you'll say कि auntie, I want to have rice, chapati, salad, vegetable and a little water. All right. Whether or I am confused whether I should offer hot tea or a cold drink, right? कि या तो मैं cold drink पी लूँ या मैं ice cream खा लूँ, like this. Or okay. Now, so these conjunctions that are used in the pair are known as correlative conjunction. Alright, because they are correlated to each other. We can use though different in a separate sentence and yet in separate sentences, but these are some conjunctions are there that we cannot use alone, like neither nor, either or. If either is used in a sentence, or will be used in the sentence for sure. Same goes with neither nor, same goes with not only but also, same goes with whether or. All right, so come on to the next page. Now we are going to study about the compound conjunction. Now what are compound conjunction? Like whenever there is one thing, always remember, when conjunctions are used as correlative, such as each of the correlated words should be placed immediately before the words to be connected. All right, next is we use many compound expressions as conjunction. They are called compound conjunctions. So that, as well as if, even if, provided that, as soon as, on condition that, in order that, as, though. All right, so these are the words that are known as compound conjunction. Okay, now coming on to the classes of conjunction. So there are two classes. One is coordinating conjunction, and another one is the subordinating conjunction. When I'll explain you all this, you will remember that we have also studied this kind of these conjunctions in our first chapter also, when we were studying subject and predicate. All right, chalo, first we are going to study about the coordinating conjunction. Come on to the next page. Okay, coming on to the coordinating conjunction. In coordinating conjunctions, we know that coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions in which the conjunction add the same sentence, means same type of sentence they add together. Both the sentence should be talking about the same particular person. All right, now like take this, give that, these are same thing. All right, same, both the sentences have been said to the same person, right? So they are merely connected like with the word and. Okay, now coordinating conjunctions are divided into four types: cumulative, adversative, alternative and elative. Now we are going to study about them one by one. First is cumulative conjunction. So these conjunctions are those types of conjunction that merely add two sentences. Like those are two different sentences, and even after adding those two sentences, we can understand that these are two different sentences because they do not merge themselves that good. Right? You cook the lunch, I will look after the children. These are two different sentences, and even if they are joined with the word and, we can easily find out that these are two different sentences. You cook the lunch, I will look after the children. So this is you cook the lunch and I will look after the children. These are merged. I mean, these are not merged. These are just little bit connected to each other. Second is adversative conjunction, that expresses opposition or contrast between two statements. Like how these two sentences are said for the same person but are really different. For example, he is slow, he is sure. Right? So we are talking about two different things for a same particular person. Now these two sentences are connected with the conjunction but or only. These are adversative conjunction. So whenever we are using these conjunctions, we have to be careful with the sentences that we are using. All right. Now alternative conjunction are which expresses a choice between two alternatives. Now there are two different sentences in which we have to make a choice, like she must hurry or she will miss the train. Either you hurry or you miss the train, like this. I mean, this is not the, I have used a correlative conjunction, but we can write it in a different way, right? Neither a borrower nor a lender. Here also see correlative sentences are used, correlative conjunctions are used, है ना? Because with these conjunctions, neither nor, either or, we are making a choice, है ना? neither a borrower nor a lender. ना ही मैं एक borrower हूँ, ना ही मैं एक lender हूँ. So you have to make a choice, like either you become a borrower or you become a lender, like this. Walk quickly else you will not overtake him. या तो जल्दी चलो या ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा, like this. So it is a choice. Those are in contrast. Alright, last one is the elative conjunction, which expresses as interference. This expresses interference. Alright, we listened eagerly, for he brought the news for our family. I believed her, for surely she would not lie to me. Alright. Now coming on to the subordinating conjunction. Alright, so subordinating conjunction join a subordinating clause to a main clause. Alright, first is Jaya reads the book interests her. This could have been both the sentences. Now we have to join it. So Jaya reads the book. In this sentence, this is the main clause, because here we are talking about Jaya. In the next sentence, we are talking about the book. The book interests her. So here this subordinating clause, which is the book interests her, is joined to the main clause with the word that act as an subordinating conjunction, which is because. The subordinating conjunction show the relationship between two clauses, so it doesn't matter which one comes first. So because Sachin toiled so hard, he was tired. Sachin was tired because he toiled so hard. So it is not necessary whether we write whether we write a subordinating clause first, or we write the main clause first, or we write the conjunction first. The meaning of the sentence would be the same. Coming on to the next page. Subordinating conjunction may be classified according to the meaning as they given below. So here they have given the meaning, the conjunction, and the examples. You can read them on your own. Like time is before, after, since, till. These conjunctions are used for time. Cause of reason becomes because or as. Purpose is so that or lest. Result or consequence so that. Right. Condition is if or unless. Concession is though or although, and comparison is then. Alright, so you can read them and understand. These are very easy if you understand them very well. Okay, now we are going to study what are the common mistakes with conjunction. So first is, in English we use just one conjunctions to connect two clauses. Alright, because he is intelligent, so he gets good mark. No, we cannot write it. We only use one conjunction at a time. Like because he is intelligent, he gets good mark. It is easy, na? Because and so are both conjunction, and English does not require a second conjunction. Since and therefore are both conjunction, and any one of them is enough to join two sentences. So since he was angry, therefore I said nothing. क्योंकि वो गुस्सा था, इसलिए मैंने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला. It is not necessary to write it this way. You can write since he was angry, I said nothing. क्योंकि वो गुस्सा था, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. Like this. Okay. A subordinating clause cannot stand alone. It must be attached to an independent clause. Okay, he did not come to work. He was ill because he was ill. This is incorrect. He did not come to work because he was ill. Here they have used full stop, which is wrong thing. We cannot use any full stop, because if we are putting a full stop between one sentence, it becomes two automatically. So in conjunction, we cannot use two. We cannot show the sentence to be two, because conjunction, the main work of conjunction is to join two sentences, not to make them two. Alright. So this was the explanation part of the chapter, and I hope that you have understood. Let us come on to the exercise on page number 103. Okay, coming on to the exercise. A conjunction that joins together sentences of equal rank or order is called coordinating conjunction. The conjunction which expresses a choice between two alternatives is called coordinating conjunction, and adversive coordinating conjunction expresses opposition. Okay, coming on to the B1, use the conjunction and, but, or in the blanks. We have to use only these three conjunctions. Okay, in Rome we saw a lot of museums and palaces. She's beautiful but brainless. Vaishali, oh, I'm sorry, this is not R, this is end. That is my mistake, I'm sorry. This is not, this is and. I'm really sorry, my mistake. You may take this chair or that one. Her face is beautiful but full of acne. You can sit at the front or stand at the back. I had a terrible cold last week but still went to work. You cook the lunch and they will look after the children. I like coffee but I do not like tea. Turn the heat down or it will burn. Come on to the next exercise on next page. In next exercise, we have to connect two sentences with the words that with the conjunctions that are given in the bracket. She was intelligent, but but poor. He waited for me until I came back. The father was not arrested. The son was not arrested. So neither the father nor his son was arrested. She worked hard. She failed. Although she worked hard, she failed. Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the bus. The crops will die before the rain falls. Rajesh passed the examination because he worked hard. 5 months have passed since I met her. Next is rewrite the following sentences by correcting the highlighted words. Here we have to correct the highlighted words. So he plays cricket, neither cricket nor football. If you do not apologize, I shall punish you. Neither does he comes nor does he play. Both Ravi and Mahesh are interested in this. I have no hobby except that of collecting books. Scarcely had she left, then a storm began to blow. Here then will be used THEN then, because THAN then is used when we are comparing something. But here we are using then for telling that this has happened after this thing has happened. All right. No sooner Mukesh arrives than he begins to study. Okay. He asked me if Mukesh had gone. Although he is poor, but he is happy. Walk carefully or you should fall. I'm sorry. Here you can use else or. Both are correct. We walk carefully or you should fall or else you will fall. Okay, coming on to the next exercise on the next page. Study the following picture and read the examples. Can you identify the type of conjunction in each? So bird, flies and fish swim. This is coordinating conjunction. The cage had been opened, yet the parrot did not escape. This is also coordinating conjunction. Try fast or else you will not overtake. This is alternative conjunction or coordinating conjunction. A glass is broken, for I heard a crashing sound. Elative conjunction or coordinating conjunction. Let us wait until the rain stops. Coordinating conjunction. He is saving money so that he can buy a mobile. Subordinating conjunction. So with this, the chapter is already over, and I hope that you all have understood. Please do complete your work, and I hope to see you in my next video with the next chapter. Till then, take care, keep studying. Thank you.